Hello guys, welcome to a new video here on POV Motors. I bring you today a new video with my personal AMG A45. It's a 2014 model. So I had this car for about 4 months now. I'm really happy with the car, and I will tell you a little bit more about it in the video. So when I say 2014, maybe you get a little bit confused because it has the front facelift front bumper, and also the rear bumper and the taillights are also from the facelift model. The facelift looked so much more aggressive and so much cooler with this huge air intakes. So it looks way aggressive than the pre-facelift one. Unfortunately, I have this crack in the bumper, but it will be replaced on the insurance. What else? So as you can see, it has the carbon fiber hood. This car is actually tuned by RENNtech, so the hood is also from RENNtech. It's a real carbon fiber, really cool, and it gives the car a much more aggressive look than stock. The only thing I can complain about is it has some huge gaps on the side. I think it needs to be adjusted a little bit, but yeah, let's continue here on the car. I have it's 4-piston calipers. It really stops the car. It's more than enough for this little car. And also the tires are not the best right now, but I will replace those with Michelin tires. And so the car is right now, it's lowered with some H&R springs, so it gives the car a bit more cooler and meaner look with this lowering springs. And from the rear you can also see the upgraded facelift bumper, which gives the car a much more sexier look with this spoiler down here. And also you can see the facelift tail lights, and I guess somebody has painted them some black, but we need to redo that with this is some spray or something, but need to put some real film to get it look a little bit nicer. And it also has the aero pack, which I think it's very important. When you get an A45, you get a so much meaner and sexier look with the aero package. With the aero package you get these front winglets thingies, so quite cool, and also you get the spoiler on the rear, which brings the car and looks so much meaner. Let's see, so as I said, it's tuned by RENNtech, and you can see it on the back. It has a badge, and it's about, I think, 430 horsepower. I think it's stage 1, I believe. I don't know, because I bought it like this, so I don't know exactly if it's, but I believe it's a stage 1. So if you climb with the car, I will start it up so you can hear the sound. So I don't know, it has the stock exhaust still, but yeah, it has a downpipe on it, so you will hear it has a pretty good noise, and during cold start it pops and bangs like crazy. When you it sounds like shotgun rounds going off. So let's try it and start it. I will put it in sport mode before I start it. So now it doesn't sound so much now when it's warm. Really nice sound. I don't know if the tune comes with, because I hear so much you can hear a lot of dump valve noise. I don't know, that's not stock. Yeah, so let's go for a ride and try it out. Yeah, let's put it in comfort mode again. I think the interior is very sexy for 2014. Like, it still looks very good, I think, in my opinion, but you have yeah, this center console is a little bit outdated now. But if you ever get a A45, you need to upgrade to you need to buy one with this AMG Sport bucket seats. It's made from Recaro, and you can see it has Recaro badge right there, and they're really cool, and I think it transforms the car a lot when you get the, because it's a sports car, and if you get those basic seats, it's like you get like in a regular A class, and if you have these kind of cars, you just need to have these seats, and they're very lovely and comfy to sit in. And you have 2 buttons, actually 3, but one is blank, so you have 3 buttons to adjust these side bolsters, so it can squeeze you in quite well. And yeah, they are amazing in corners, and yeah, very nice seats. Other than that, I think the interior really nice look, and it's a shame they replaced the shift gear lever, because the newer ones have it on the steering wheel right here, and I think this looks so much better. And you have this Falterbach AMG logo on the top. No, I really like the interior, honestly. And you have the cool thing about these seats, they are fully electric adjustable, so you can adjust them even with memory. That's quite cool for these kind of seats. You can see I have a Powered by RENNtech badge on here. You can really feel the difference between a regular A45 and the RENNtech powered one. Like 430 horsepower, you really feel it. And I have driven a lot of both CLA 45s and A45s, regular ones too, and this feels, you can feel the difference, honestly. And also in this one, the previous owner replaced these shift paddles, like the real metal Brabus shift paddles. Also the originals are also metal aluminium, I think, so, but this you get a much sexier look with these ones than the stock ones, and you get a really nice click also. I will put it in manual soon, so you will actually hear the clicking sound from it. No, they're really nice. The only thing I think I will replace or change is, okay, this is a fake carbon fiber vinyl, and it looks good and everything, but I don't think it would be so much cooler if you could get like real carbon fiber in it. So yeah, so actually I have, now it's in comfort mode, everything is in comfort, and you can drive it like a normal A class. You don't feel the difference, honestly, if you don't put the foot down. And I think that's everything about these cars, that you can have like 430 horsepower from a 2-cylinder. It's quite, it's 4-cylinder, excuse me, 2-liter 4-cylinder. It's kind of crazy that they can get so much power from such small engine. And also, not only get the power, it's quite reliable. Like this one has 430 horsepower, and the stock one is 360 horsepower, and the facelift one had like 380, something like that. But this has 430, around 430 horsepower, and it's crazy because it's reliable. It has like 172,000 kilometers on the clock right now, and it's crazy that it's so reliable. You can still use it every day, and it's not a 6-cylinder, like it's a 4-cylinder, and it's quite kind of crazy that you can get all this power from it. Really nice guy there. Yeah, I will drive it in comfort mode for a bit here, and then I will put it in sport mode, and you you will see how it goes. So the cool thing about this AMG, you see the buttons here on the steering wheel. You have this AMG kind of menu, and you can see some temperatures. That's the engine temp, the the diff temperature and everything, and then you can see which gear you're in. And then if I scroll down, you can see you have some lap timer there. And if I scroll down even further, you can see the gearbox is in comfort mode right now, and the suspension is in standard mode right now. So now we will go to a bit more nicer road. So I will put it in sport mode here, and you can see it changes there. Now it's sport, now it's manual, and then you have this button here for sport handling mode. So now we're in full sport mode, and I will open the window and just shift down. Oh, it goes really, really nice. It's really fast. And you can hear the pops and crackles from the exhaust. Oh my god. Really, really fast. So I will remove this and put the speedometer in here so you can see the speed. So the gearbox it's a 7-speed dual clutch gearbox. It's really, really fast. I had never had any issues with it. Actually, sometimes you can feel some delay in it when you shift down, but other than that, it's quite responsive, and you can see when I shift, like, it's instant. When the boost kicks in, it just goes, man. And the sound, it's amazing. I can't believe I've driven the new A45, but the sound in this one, the newer is faster, of course, but the sound in this one, it's unbeatable. I believe it's such a shame the new ones don't sound like this. So actually, like I said, I had this car for 4 months or so, and it's been really reliable so far. I did a service. I had to replace all the 4 spark plugs and oil service and everything, and the filters. It started to like hesitate on acceleration, and when I replaced the spark plugs, the issue went away. So other than that, then you can see I still have the engine light on. It's because of the thermostat I need to replace. I have like 4 Mercedeses, and I think I replaced thermostats on all of them. It's just me and Mercedes. I need to replace thermostats on every Mercedes I own. Launch control in this one it's really, 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 really nice. I can't believe it's like a 2014 model, and it feels so much newer. Oh my god, this sound from the turbos. It's such a nice sound. Such a nice sound. It's crazy, this car. It's so crazy. Oh my god. That sounds so freaking good. And the pops and bangs and the burbles and farts from the exhaust, amazing. Amazing. Like, the difference I think with Mercedes in the interior part is the older one. This one is from 2014. Like, everything here is real metal. Everything is real metal. And if you compare it to to the newer E-Class and everything is plastic, and it just breaks down like after some years. I feel the steering is also very nice. It's very responsive when you turn the wheel. It really is, but you cannot feel the road as much. I think I don't know, because it's four-wheel drive or something, but yeah. But it's a really nice car for out like highways and roads like this. Let's try the launch mode here. I will show you. I will let this guy pass me now. Okay, so I have more cars here. So let's try the launch mode here. So you have it in sport mode now, and your foot on the brake, you pull both paddles up, and the right one to confirm, and the yes. Holy shit, it's fast. It's so aggressive. It's so aggressive on the launch. It's crazy. And actually, this car is quite a showstopper. Also, like it's still like from 2014, and it still like looks really good, even for today's standards. Like I think with the hood and everything, with the aero pack, it really stands out in the crowd, and it gets so many looks when you're out driving. It's a really fun car, and the sound is amazing. The only thing I think I can complain about is the launch control. When you like put it in launch mode, and it's only available like for a minute or so. And if you're like out racing on a drag strip or something, and you put it in launch mode, and it takes a while for everything to be set up, like for the green light to come, it will deactivate itself, and you will screw all your launch up, and it's happened to me quite a lot, and that's the only thing I can complain about with this car. I think other than that, like for this kind of money, I don't think they are very expensive. Like for what you get is crazy. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please comment and like this video, and share what you like about the A45 AMG. I hope you have a really great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.